Based in leafy countryside on the Somerset-Devon border, close to the village of Bolescombe, is the 98,000 square foot headquarters of a machine tool company that was founded in 1984, supplying everything from manual laser mills to full-on 5-axis simultaneous machines, and we thought you might want to see what their success is based on. Welcome to XYZ. I'm Mike Corbett, but I'm known around here as Machining Mike, and I would like to take you on a tour of our factory's facility. So why don't you come inside and join me? From humble beginnings, Nigel Atherton and his team here at XYZ have turned the company into the largest supplier of CNC machine tools by volume in the UK. And by constantly investing in products and support, they've sold over 25,000 machines to UK and European manufacturers. So here we are in the showroom, and for many XYZ customers, their journey of owning the machine begins by having a desktop demo at your own facility. The demo boxes you see here are carried around by the area sales guys in the boot of their car, so they can come to you and show you the power of the controls that you would wish to purchase. But we strongly believe that you should come to a showroom and see the machine that you want to purchase in the flesh and get your hands on and really see the benefits of the machine. And at all of our showrooms, we have a range of products available for our customers to come and see. Here in Devon, our product range starts with the KMX 2000, with the 2-axis CNC mill. But we then move on to the ever popular bed mills, fitted with the RMX 15-inch touchscreen control. That same technology is then carried over to the ProTurn range of lathes, going right up to our big 780 machine. So by coming and seeing these ProTrack controlled machines in action, you'll see the true benefits of the conversational programming, the verification features, and the tracking capability that make these products the #1 choice for one-off and small batch production. And although initially XYZ's success was based on manufacturers of one-off and small batch parts, many of our customers came back and asked us for more production type orientated machines. So initially we started to supply hardened and ground box section slide wave vertical machining centres and turning centres. But more recently we've supplied machines with linear rail technology. These VMCs in different configurations with different styles of tool changer also have the ability to have extra features added, such as probing, 4th axis and through spindle coolant. And that transition of technology also applies to our turning centres, where we started with bot section 2-axis and LTY machines. We've now used to linear rail technology on a range of our lathes. And as we constantly strive to give our customers the right solution to their machining problems, it leads us to this, the TMC product, where we fuse together the carcass of the LR machine, the ProTrack RMX touchscreen control to give you the user the ultimate machine. It's available with retractable hand wheels, so when you're using it manually, you can visually see what's happening in the machine. But if you're going into more production style machining, you can move them out the way for easy loading and unloading. And as you would expect from a VMC, it has all the features to make you more productive, with its tool changer and available with 4th axis. Also 12,000 RPM spindle is available if you want it. Taking in DXF and Parasolid files is also an option. We truly believe that the TMC is the ultimate toolroom machining centre. So you've seen the end product in our showroom, but how do we arrive at that point? Well, it all starts with the amount of stock we carry here at XYZ. We have over 350 machines of the various models in stock. That's a commitment from us to UK and European manufacturing, that we can provide the machines that you require in the shortest possible time. When the machines are ready to be built, they're brought down onto the line, where one of our 18 fitters puts everything together and fits all the accessories. The machines are then ran continuously for 168 hours to check for quality and any possible faults. Any accessories also have their own runtime as well to check their performance. And every machine is then Renish or ball barred to check for repeatability and accuracy, And one of our final tests is to do an electrical flash test to make sure the machine is electrically safe for any users of the machine. And so when all the quality assurance tests have been completed, the machines are packed up and loaded onto the lorries of our trusted delivery partners, who have all the RAMs and insurance in place to make sure that your investment arrives in the best possible condition. And once your machine's been delivered, we don't forget about you. With 8 internal service staff, including specialists in programming, parts procurement, and mechanical and electrical installation, and the 18 guys out on the road with fully stocked service vans, we use the latest data tracking to track where the vans are and scheduling software to ensure we can be with you as soon as possible. And the support does not stop there. Here in our fully stocked stores with over 13,000 line items to a value of £2.2 million means that we can supply machines with everything from bearings to belts to filters to full-on machine tables. And not just for today's current products. We stock spares for our legacy products so we can continue to support you long after the machine has been delivered. And in support of the stores, we have our recently revamped electronic test room, where controls, computer modules, motors and drives can come for testing, revamping before they enter our service exchange program. Another element of keeping your machine running. And to help you get the most from your investment in an XYZ machine tool, every CNC machine comes with free training at one of our facilities, either here at Bolescombe or one of the regional showrooms. Using both classroom and showroom facilities, we help you to get a quick return on your investment. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the XYZ facility here down in Devon. We hope you can see that the passion and commitment we put into the products that we supply is second to none. If you'd like to arrange for a demonstration on one of our machines at the Bolescombe showroom, or one of our other facilities, Livingston, Huddersfield, Sheffield, Nuneaton, Slough or Zabras in Poland, feel free to contact us with the details you can see on the screen.